Halo, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Rizka Andriana from class of 2019, who will be monitoring you all through the whole debate. Before we start, it is better for us to pray first. Pray begin. Pray never stop. Okay, so now I will tell you about the mechanism. First, the affirmative group starts the debate, and after that, the opposition group will reply the affirmative group. After got the response from the opposition group, the affirmative group will reply the debate back to the opposition group, and so on. Everyone must speak to give their argument about the topic. The topic or the motion will be this House believe that vaccination should be an option, not an obligation. We will debate until we reach the point. Before we start, does anyone has a question?
No, Kak.
All right. Without further ado, the floor is yours.
Permisi, Kak. Apakah ini introduction dulu, Kak?
No, you can start the debate right now from the affirmative group first.
Oke, Kak.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hani Fitriana Amin. With number with name one. Oh, I'm sorry. With 6 digit behind name 140143. The motion is THT THBT vaccination with vaccination should be an option on I'm sorry, THBT vaccination should be an option, not an obligation. Okay. My opinion is I'm agree about this motion. This motion. With this motion, submit because everyone has human right, where this has been emphasized in Indonesian language. In pasal 28 in ayat 3 age, which reach everybody have right at his body. Nah, include at this pasal, in this vaccination, everyone has the right to independently determine the health service they need and are responsible for the service. I'm sorry because my English so bad. Thank you.
Okay, sebelumnya, let me introduce myself. My name is Lingga Madano Pandaru. Okay, I will answer a statement for Hanif from Team Pro. Or yes, I think I disagree with the motion. With the motion submitted because the COVID-19 vaccine is an obligation, not just an option. It cannot be spared from the urgent situation, and then due to the emergency situation of the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, it is not a matter of whether or not to be vaccinated. But the problem is very urgent, so it becomes an obligation.
Oke, thank you. Apakah suara saya sudah terdengar?
Yes, already.
Okay, thank you. Please allow me to respond and from Lingga. Excuse me, my name is Henia Latifah. I think if even though it is urgent, because some people think that the vaccine is not completely halal. Example, the vaccine contains proctrypsin. Those who reject the COVID-19 vaccine usually seek to convey their point of view to others. And with their belief, they try to keep the people they know safe according to their people perception. Some people may hold the value that injecting vaccine leads into the body is prohibited by their belief. In addition, it could also because the manufacturing process and the contents of the vaccine are considered not accordance with the teaching of their beliefs. Psychology, a person tends to be apathetic towards something new, especially when professionally had an unpleasant experience. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Hania Latifah. My name is Vicky Sukma Fiandari. In my opinion, is National Food and Drug Agency has given approval for the emergency use of the CoronaVac drug produced by Sinovac. Then there is a fatwa from the Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. In my opinion, National Food and Drug Agency has given approval for the emergency use of the CoronaVac drug produced by Sinovac, and then there is a fatwa from the from the Indonesian Ulama Council, number 2 of number 2 of 2020 concerning COVID-19 vaccine produced, which states that the COVID-19 vaccine produced by Sinovac and PT Bio Farma is legally secret and halal. Besides that, President Joko Widodo has announced that vaccination are given free of charge and state that he is ready to be first person to receive the vaccine, and in January 2020, President Joko Widodo fulfilled his promise and became the first person to receive the vaccine. Thank you.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Marella. My opinion, but in fact the vaccination is not only the Sinovac vaccine, but there are several other types such as AstraZeneca, Moderna. Then where this type of vaccine has also been tested or for halalness. Thank you.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Aviva Nur Aini. Thank you, Marella. I will respond to your opinions. Indeed, some vaccine is not halal, but ulama in Indonesia or MUI has certified our vaccine product, namely Sinovac, AstraZeneca, Sinopharm, and Pfizer. For the Sinovac vaccine, the MUI has determined that the vaccine is halal. But for AstraZeneca, Sinopharm, and Pfizer, the MUI has determined that is not halal or haram, but allowed because of the COVID-19 pandemic emergency. If there is someone who is religious, it is recommended to use the Sinovac vaccine only, because there is no compulsion in using the vaccine. Thank you.
Okay, I want to introduce myself. My full name is Salma Amanda Nabila, and my name 220-201-211-40254. I will respond to Afifa arguments. I think although vaccination is a good program to increase immunity in the human body, vaccination does not mean that COVID-19 will disappear. The concept of the vaccination is to protect the body from harmful virus, not to eliminate exercising virus. Thank you.
Okay, sorry, is my voice already heard?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, already.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Diva Avenbuara Putri. Here I will respond Salma's statement about vaccination is good program to increase immunity in the human body. Uh, Based on recent research, there is strong evidence of how the COVID-19 vaccine increase the body's resistance to prevent transmission of the coronavirus. Evaluation about effectiveness of the COVID-19 vaccine conducted by National Institute of Health Research and Development proved that the vaccine was able to reduce the risk of being infected COVID-19 as well as reduce care and death for health workers. This study was conducted on 71,455 health workers in Jakarta. There are including nurse, doctor, technical, and other general personnel during the period January to June 2021. Thank you.
First of all, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Norita Kusno Khatimah with names 220.
Sorry, your voice is not really clear. Can you speak louder?
Can you hear me right now?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Norita Kusno Khatimah with names 220, 201, 211, 40179. Vaccination is an option rather than an obligation because some of people they don't understand what is vaccines contain. They don't believe what is vaccines contain. They might there is some rumor that vaccine contain some pork things and something like that, and some people afraid with needles, and it's about their rights whether they want to choose to be vaccinated or not. And then the government can run with another program such as PPKM to reduce the spread of COVID-19, and it's not too risky to the body and the and cause pros and cons to the society. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay. My name is Feni Dinarwati. In my opinion, I disagree with that statement because, as previously explained, vaccines have been declared halal. Even Joko Widodo stated that the vaccine was halal and free from pork trypsin content. In fact, the vaccine is an attempt to avoid the effect-free rider social phenomena and public interest tragedies. The free rider effect can occur if a person does not feel the need to be vaccinated because he thinks he will be protected by the immunity of others who have been vaccinated. Will the general tragedy refer to the possibility of someone putting his personal interest and public interest first? Thank you.
Okay, My name is Fabiana Satya Yuvada. I will review from Fanny. Now, even drug is being vaccinated, many people are found who can still be exposed to the COVID-19 virus. So the application for vaccine is less effective because the vaccine is not avoiding the virus. But if someone is exposed to COVID-19, the symptoms are not too severe. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Fabiana Satya Yuvada. My reason to this is a new study by scientists at Rockefeller University, New York, United States, shows that the vaccine increases the body's natural resistance to the coronavirus. SARS-CoV-2. People who are infected with COVID-19 get strong immunity to the coronavirus for at least a year after they were initially infected. In analyzing antibodies present in the blood of COVID-19 patients, the scientists were able to trace the evolution of these mutable molecules, and research found that those who had been infected with the coronavirus then received the COVID-19 vaccine, so their natural immunity developed in such a way. Thank you so much.
Okay, sorry. Is my voice is already heard?
Yes.
Okay. In here I will add a statement about new study by so so the research said the COVID-19 vaccine they received most likely had developed a natural immunity. The SARS-CoV-2 virus, even from the new variant of the coronavirus that emerged. From the analytic, the scientists conclude that it shows these people develop a better and longer lasting defense. resistant or natural immunity against COVID-19 after they receive the vaccine. Thank you.
Excuse me. I think I can hold it from the pro and contra from my friends of this debate that halal or not halal vaccine is the most important thing for our health, for our safety, because that is very important. Thank you.
Is the opposition group already give up and give victory to the affirmative group?
Sorry, Miss. Can you repeat, please?
Is the opposition group already give up and give the victory to the affirmative group?
I'm sorry, Miss. Izin bertanya, like make a dialogue or not?
Sorry? You repeat?
Izin bertanya, yang dimaksud kakaknya itu like make a dialogue or not, Miss?
Maksudnya tim opposition apa udah nyerah terus memberikan kemenangan pada tim afirmatif atau gimana?
Maybe not yet, but give us some second to dulu. Okay.
Alright.
I'm sorry. Please allow me to respond. We from the affirmative team strongly agree with the motion and this motion must stand. The reason is we not only provide arguments but also several statements regarding this motion. We also provide some facts and indeed vaccination is halal to do and is an obligation for the people of Indonesia. Thank you.
I think if many people has contra for vaccine, I think vaccine is very important. Thank you.
Excuse me. I think faction is about on their rights uh, because they can choose whatever they want to be vaccinated or not. It's it's also about their background that they have, and if vaccination to be an obligation, uh, it violates the human rights, and then if and then people can the individual can like choose whatever they want to be. And I think vaccination can be done with the awareness of each individual, and there is no concertion that will eliminate a person's right. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I would like to additional a pro team. People who are currently apathic to vaccine can be influenced by various factors. Moreover, the COVID-19 vaccine is something very new. It is natural that some people still have doubt. This time is actually the right time to provide real facts and evidence that can direct their views to be more objective. Thank you.
Okay, I'm from affirmative team. In my opinion, it's proven from several research results showing that vaccination, which was originally the right of everyone, can become an obligation considering the current emergency situation in Indonesia. This is because someone who is not vaccinated is likely to infect or even kill other people. As for punishment, it should be the ultimum remedium if other institutions such as persuasive methods, socialization, and even sanctions related to vaccination are no longer able to work where the health emergency conditions in Indonesia are getting worse. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm from. Um, I'm sorry. There was a miscommunication. I.
I'm sorry, Vika.
I'm sorry. I'm from opposition team. I'm forget. I'm sorry.
Excuse me. I want to respond of the Fika statement. If we focus on public interest, uh, we will violate the human rights, and then uh, it's actually based on their background if they want to be vaccinated or not, because it is on their rights. And if we like concerned if we like concerned to them to push them to get vaccination or get the obligation with a sanction, there will be a controversy about that and will increase public doubts about the vaccine. Thank you.
Excuse me, I will respond to Nurlita. Nurlita. Mm, uh, I will respond to Nurlita argument. In pasal 9 ayat 1 UU nomor 336 to 2009 concerning health is required to participate in realizing Indonesian people who are free from COVID-19 so that vaccination can be cited to be an obligation for the realization of the safety of every citizen to be protected from COVID-19. In addition, considering to emergency condition of the COVID-19 pandemic, it can be cited that it is an obligation in the interest of the nation and state.
Permission. Excuse me to express my opinion. From the result of the statement of each team, I think the debate is balanced because all of our statements are very strong and make sense. And maybe the end result will be according to the respective environmental condition is respond to vaccine. Thank you.
Um, okay, I will respond to Hania statement. Vaccination is an important thing, besides that is option or obligation, but as we know that we should put on common interest above our personal interest. Thank you.
I'm sorry. I would like to additional that the issuance of regulation of the Minister of Health number 18 of 20 and 21 in conjunction with regulation of the Minister of Health number 19 of 20 and 21 clearly contradicts the public right to health in the era of the pandemic. The community has already experienced a heavy economic and social burden, and therefore it would not be appropriate if it was interpreted by the government to invite the community to ease the burden of the state by imposing the cost of vaccination on the community.
Okay, my opinion, but it seemed to me that not only would vaccine be able to danger COVID distribution, but like stay at home and lockdown might be. Thank you.
Okay, I will respond to Marella's statement. Policy regarding vaccination is emphasized more as a mandatory or obligation for its citizens. Deputy Minister of Law and Human Rights Edward Omar Sharif Hirij has stated that all Indonesian citizens are required to inject the COVID-19 vaccine organized by the state. This effort is carried out as a collaboration in handling COVID-19 that hit Indonesia, even the public obligation to carry out vaccine injection is stated in Law Number 36, Article 9 of 2009 concerning health. Thank you.
Okay, sorry. Maybe our debate is over, the conclusion is the vaccine are something important for everyone benefit. Okay, thank you.
All right. Are you done enough?
Yeah, it's already done.
Okay. Wow. You are also great, even though there are so many loves. I don't know why. Maybe you are so receh, someone who easily love, but yeah, it's kind of funny. Okay. So, I appreciate for you all because you have brave enough to speak about your argument, even though maybe you are so nervous because this is not your first language, right? And yeah, debate is something that I find we need to practice. It's not about we can speak in English so we can debate. No, it's because we practice so we can debate. Even though I myself can speak English, not very well, but yeah, I can speak English, but I cannot debate like you all. You are so great. And about the topic, maybe I want to like give you all feedback a little bit, maybe. So like yeah, there are so many loves. I don't feel like I'm I'm in like some kind of debate contest, but like I'm watching stand-up comedy and maybe you can practice English more because speaking is hard. I know. Yeah, that's all maybe, and practice debate more because who knows, you all can um, go to competitions, debate competitions. And then regarding about the topic, it is so hard because I'm half agree and disagree because uh, every choice has like bad and good side, right? So okay, because the debate already finished, and I'm sorry, here is really there are so many voices here because I'm not in my and I'm not at my place right now. I'm at my friend's place because I still need to do assignment. Okay, so because we already finished the debate, we can close with the prayer first. The pray begin. The pray never ends. Okay, so you can stop the recording now and leave the meeting. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, don't forget to answer the answer sheet and upload to the YouTube, okay?
Okay, Miss.
I'm sorry. Can we take documentation? Dah, wis lu ngoy.
Salma lo. Bis. Aduh, gak mau.
Emang dikira anu toh. Ini udah dimatiin belum ya?
Anu nan